someone joining us from London. That's good. Okay, good. Keep it coming.
Traditionally, we had GPS, that's from America. Russia has GLONASS, Europe has Galileo, and China has Beidou. So all of these satellites, we can pick up their signals, and that helps us triangulate.
How they look like, apart from what you're seeing. What you're seeing in the drawing is almost exactly what we have here physically. So what the station does is it measures both rotating
or your take on health and safety on site. So two things that will come into your mind once you hear this question, or once you're working in the construction industry. One of them is what we call CDM. And what is CDM? Construction Design Management. It's a regulation, it's a legal document.
And yes, I would like to join Ken in thanking everybody for joining us this evening. I hope that this session has given you an overview and insight into what setting out and surveying is all about, and how we at Buckingham School of Setting Out Engineering can support your journey into stepping into site engineering.